सर मेरा नाम अमित है और मेरा सवाल ये है कि सर जो आज जो युवा पीढ़ी है 14, 15, 16 एज की यार मतलब वो बहुत प्रभावित है वेस्टर्न कल्चर से, दैट इज मटेरियलिस्टिक वर्ल्ड, और हमारी संस्कृति इज स्पिरिचुअलिटी। तो उन लोग को हम कैसे कन्विंस करें कि दिस इज और, बिकॉज आज हम अगर उन लोग से बात करते हैं तो दे थिंक दैट वी आर बैकवर्ड टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस थिंग्स, तो उनको हम हमारी तरफ कैसे प्रभावित करें?
How to convince today's materialistic culture? We should think of, in this book I propose that the materialistic culture of today are charvaks. I have a section called the return of the charvaks. So charvaks have come back, and these charvaks were there in the Vedic times as materialistic people who rejected Vedas, rejected spirituality, and there are all these debates and traditions how to debate them successfully. So now the charvaks are back, but they are not the same. They are more smart. They are more money. They are more power, political power, clout. They are media savvy. They control many channels of distribution of knowledge. So taking on these charvaks is not going to be as easy as the previous charvaks. But once our traditional people realize that the people we are dealing with as opponents are actually charvaks, that gives us a starting point. It gives us a starting point because we have these debates in the past. We know how we won these debates. So we need to update and upgrade these arguments.